Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. I am Gopal. Today in this video, intermediate prose third chapter, J.C. Bose, written by Aldous Huxley, is the British writer, well-known English writer. The present essay J.C. Bose taken from his book Testing Fillet. In the essay, he explained the simple instruments which were used by Michael Faraday and Jagadish Chandra Bose in their experiments. He also described the views and experiments of J.C. Bose on plants. The summary of the J.C. Bose, the writer discusses a serious subject of plants life in humorous way. He also writes about the experiment of J.C. Bose in the Bose Institute at Calcutta. The writer feels that for the experimentation of science and technology, it is not necessary to have an advanced kind of instrumentation. Rather, it can be used on the curiosity and special talent of the experimenter. He gives the example of simple instruments such as tea vessel, silk wire, sealing wax, and jam pots which were used by Faraday and to invent the power of electricity. So according to the authors, he feels that talent is important along with curiosity. So without not depending on any tools or anything else, simple instruments also we can create a great things like Michael Faraday and also J.C. Bose. They are using only tea vessels, silk wire and sealing wax and jam pots like that. Then they invented a good things for us. So the author one day went to J.C. Bose Institute at Calcutta, where he met Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose, a great Indian scientist who proved by experimentation that both animal and plants share much in common and invented the instrument called the crescograph to measure the growth of plants. He felt that the equipment used by J.C. Bose was more simple than that used by Faraday. Bose used a little clockwork, some needles and some filaments in his experiments. The author observed the experiments made by J.C. Bose, such as the growth of plants being identified automatically with a needle on a sheet of smoked glass. A reaction of a plant to an electric shock feeding of a plants. Transplantation of an anesthetized tree and recording the heartbeats of a plants. The author observed the tree was transplanted from one place to another place with the help of chloroform. An overdose of chloroform is deadly to a plant as to a man. He saw a plant dying of it. The plant struggled for life like a dying man would do. The sight of dying animal is very painful to us. The people with a delicate heart may become vegetarian after observing Slater's house. But there is a life in the vegetable and also in the minerals and metals. When the people do not have anything to eat, they have to eat one another. So the writer says humorously that they must be the man eaters. Finally, the author explained the wonderful discoveries of Bose about plants' life and suggests that a plant is as lively as human being and that it should be protected and developed in large scale to maintain healthy atmosphere. According to author's view, we have a curiosity and special talent of experimenter. Even simple instruments we can create great things. We can invent great things like J.C. Bose and also Michael Faraday. So he proved that plants also have the life, not only plants, minerals and also metals. So sometimes what plants is going to die when we give that anesthesia. So it he recorded in the plants what the heartbeat of the plants. So he invented like we have the good talent without taking a costly instrument. We can wonder, we can create a wonder in experiments, in science experiments. Okay friends, thank you for watching.